Good morning, everybody. It is such a privilege and honor to be with all of you this morning. My name is Gabe Albornoz, one of the new members of the County Council and chair of our county's Health and Human Services Committee. And this is actually my first proclamation, so it's kind of an exciting day for me personally. And what a great way to start to acknowledge Public Health Week. This is such a critical component of what we do as a government and what we need to provide as a community. We can be proud of the fact that Montgomery County for the 6th year in a row was acknowledged as the healthiest county in the state of Maryland, but we also acknowledge that there is a lot of work left to do. We have incredibly vulnerable populations across our entire county, and public health doesn't just mean physical health, it also means mental health. It also means ensuring that our public environment is safe for our residents to be able to grow old and to be able to grow up. And so it is an honor and privilege as a county council to acknowledge this important day, and our county executive, I know, is also extraordinarily committed to this work. I'd now like to invite Dr. Travis Gales, our public health officer, to say a few words, and then we have a proclamation.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Councilmember Albornoz, for sponsoring the proclamation and continuing to support the efforts of public health. This is National Public Health Week. We're excited about it. We have a whole host of exciting opportunities and events planned over the week. We have set out to create the world's largest health fair. And by virtue of the fact that there is no current record, we have the world's largest health fair, and we will work to make sure that it's bigger and better next year. We have over 100 events sponsored by 50 to 60 different organizations, some of which are represented by individuals standing with us today. So thank you all for your contributions to our health fair, and thank you to those who aren't here. We know that public health is important because we need to, even though we do celebrate being the healthiest county in Maryland and one of the healthiest across the county, we still have a lot of work to do because we want to make sure that everyone gets to enjoy those great average outcomes that are above the state and outperform the nation. And just a point of personal privilege, I want to say to the young lady, Ms. Kasai, thank you for your words and reflection. I was in your seat some 20 years ago, but the sad reality is, even as a professional climbing the ladder, many of the things that you encounter, we still have to deal with. So keep fighting, stay encouraged, and make sure that your peers understand to persevere. It does get better, and it does get a little bit different, so keep fighting. So with that in mind, happy National Public Health Week. Thank you to all the contributors, and thank you for the proclamation.
Absolutely. I know our county executive wanted to be here this morning to share in this joint proclamation. I do want to acknowledge the rumors are true. He has a treadmill in his office, and so he is very committed to public health. All right, so we're going to go ahead and read this proclamation, and says, Proclamation of Montgomery County, Maryland, whereas the week of April 1st through 7th, 2019 is recognized as National Public Health Week, and Montgomery County joins in the national theme of creating the healthiest nation for science, for action, for health. And whereas Montgomery County, through the Department of Health and Human Services and Healthy Montgomery, in sponsorship of National Public Health Week, has created an opportunity for week-long emphasis on health, and over 50 organizations throughout Montgomery County will be hosting over 100 health events, and including, but not limited to, health screenings, display tables, seminars, cooking demonstrations, exercise classes, and whereas Montgomery County has been ranked for the 6th year in a row as the healthiest county in the state, yet significant disparities continue to exist in health status observed in rates of infectious diseases, maternal infant health, obesity, mental health, drug use, and injury. And whereas public health professionals, in partnership with government and a range of stakeholders, help communities prepare for, withstand, and recover from the impact of a full range of health threats. And now, therefore, do we, Mark Elrich as County Executive, Nancy Navarro as County Council President, and Gabe Albornoz as County Council Member, do hereby proclaim the week of April 1st through 7th, 2019 as National Public Health Week, signed the second day of April in the year 2019. Congratulations, and I hope it's a great week. Let's go ahead and take a picture.